Well guys, we're already moving into our new storage building. We bought this to act as a shed on our property, and that is especially important right now because we just lost our workshop, so we need a place for all of our tools. Now, I wanted to clean this place up and we're working on some rot down here, but we need the storage space so badly we said let's just start throwing stuff in the building. And that's what we've been working on, is getting everything moved over from our workshop. And as you can see, we're filling it up fast, but right now this is chaos. Okay, we're just bringing it in, getting it out of the weather, and organizing it as we go. Last night, we got our big, heavy hutch in here. That was a challenge. We did it. Luckily, we have equipment. We used our tractor to bring it over with the forklift attachment. That was handy. We also got our heavy tools. We got our bandsaw and our drill press. The drill press weighs so much. I can't even move this thing. It's heavy. You wouldn't believe how much that drill press weighs. We had to use the excavator to get it in. And it was honestly scary. It was a big challenge. And I don't even know how we did it, but it's in here for now. Hopefully we don't have to move it again anytime soon, but it's out of the weather. We've dedicated this front room to basically workshop storage. It's going to be all the tools, all the supplies, the materials, and things that we just need to get out of the damaged workshop so that we can take care of it. So I'm just dumping it all in here. This end room, well, it's full of desks right now, and that's the way it's going to stay. We're not going to touch it because I'm going to save this space for my wife, because she has some things she'd like to start working on, and I want to make her a space for other things. So this will be more clean storage and clean workspace. And this bathroom, this was the challenge to decide what to do with. Now, we've gotten a lot of comments on whether we should keep or get rid of the bathroom. We read them, we considered them, and even though we haven't had much time to really think about it, I think we are making the absolute right decision to gut this bathroom. Here's my reasoning. First of all, it has some major roof leaks. These leaks were caused by the plumbing vent going through the roof and the air vent going through the roof. I want to just close those up, repair the roof, seal it completely over, stop the leaks, and not have to worry about future leaks. The less holes through the roof, the better. The second thing is, we honestly just don't need a bathroom in here. I feel like we're looking at this more of a shed. Even though we may have a workspace, it's still just a storage building, and how many of you guys have a bathroom in your shed? You know what I mean? We're not going to be living out here. This isn't a living space, and it's so easy to run to the house and use the bathroom. We never have a problem when we go out shopping, take long walks, go out to the theme park, anything. We just don't have that problem, so bathrooms aren't a big priority for us. We have 2 in our home, and because we have plans for something even better. So let's come to the backyard for a second. You can see the storage building right there. Here's the laundry lounge where we hang our laundry. Right here, I've talked about this before, but we actually had plans to build an outdoor shower. We just haven't done it yet, but that's in the works. And in the future, that is still a plan on our properties to build an outdoor shower. And what I was thinking is, we were thinking about doing an outdoor shower composting toilet system in one unit. And if we have that, then we have a bathroom outside. We have 2 bathrooms inside, and we don't need another one in the storage building. So keep that in mind as we remove the bathroom. And from there is that we plan on making one right here. So we're gonna have, we don't need 4 bathrooms on one little property. And that's a future project that we'll get to, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. And most of all, we just need the space. Look at this. This is like 5 by 8 feet of storage closet. I don't want to waste it on a bathroom. So let's get working. We're going to gut this out really quick. Hopefully we don't find too many scary problems, but we'll do our best to handle whatever we come across. So let's get working. Guess we start with our favorite job, removing the toilet. Ooh, that was loose. It was so loose I didn't even need a wrench. Well, it's just spinning. It almost came off. It just started spinning.
Well, the floor is shot then.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be in a flange. And like, I shouldn't be able to just break it loose with my fingers. Let me see what happens if I try pulling on it. Let's unhook the water. I didn't know you were in here.
What is that noise?
Let me see if I can get this handle out of the way so that I'm breaking our light fixture cover. Let me see what this bolt is doing. Oops. I hope I didn't break your yard flower pot.
I don't want that.
Oh,
Did it?
no, I think it looks okay. I think the whole plumbing is coming with it. Right?
It is. And the floor too.
This is why we don't like floor mount toilets anymore. We always go wall hung.
I'm so sick of these floor clunky toilets.
Every toilet we have ever replaced has looked like this. Rotted floor,
Rusty bolts.
stripped bolts.
Yep. It's a mess.
Why would you want that in your home? All right. Okay, ready?
Are you ready to do the toilet wobble?
I'm not ready for this. It's degrading. Now we have a toilet in our yard.
No. It starts.
Okay. Now for the sink. Oops. Let's see what we got to work with here. There's this little box on the wall, and it looks like it's a little tankless water heater. Just a little on-demand water heater for the sink. That's kind of neat. All right, I got everything disconnected. Let's get these screws out. With the screws out, it should just lift right off a bracket, I'm guessing. There it is. I just got that little water heater off the wall. That's kind of cool. Looks like it's just a heating element that the water loops over. Simple hookup. Probably works. Might be worth holding on to. I don't know. Have you ever seen a danger sign on a toilet seat? That's not a warning you want to see.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to start taking off. You guys' favorite wall paneling strips. Everybody loves wall paneling strips. Oh, did I mention we're actually stripping the walls down in here? Not just the toilet and sink, but everything. We're going to do a full gut because these walls, look at them. I don't know if you can see them, but they're nasty. They are covered in filth and grime and splatter and probably urine and everything else. And since we had a leak in the roof, I want to see this wall and see if there's any rot in the wall. So, I just want to get rid of all this. This kind of stuff can be very deceiving because it's vinyl coating, and I hate vinyl, but vinyl paper over drywall, what I believe is drywall. And so it's very deceiving because that vinyl can hide so much. This wall can be full of decay, can be full of mold, and you wouldn't see it because the vinyl looks pretty on the outside. So I definitely want to see what's going on inside here, and I can already feel this wall is pretty soft. Wow, there's ants. There's little ants in the wall. See all these little ants? And look at what I was saying. Look at that drywall. Ow! They're biting me. Drywall actually makes it more annoying because we can't just throw it outside, it'll get all disgusting. Well, I just went through the room and took off all the strips, baseboard and door trim, so there's no trim left in this room. I want to come out here and take this trim off also because I'm going to be removing this door. This trim is actually just vinyl, it's just plastic. Not exciting. Comes off easy, right?
Yep.
You might think we jump around from project to project too much, but let me just say that isn't this fun? Isn't this a little more interesting than watching me do something boring? And we're excited. We just got this building and it's an exciting thing. You know, you're excited, you want to get into it. I like getting into new stuff. And most importantly, we need the storage. That's why we bought this, storage space. The reason we're going through all this work is because I need this room so that we can organize, so that we don't get in a mess like the workshop where I wanted a workshop, but it turned into a packed storage building that you couldn't walk through. I don't want that happening here, where everything gets hoarded up and you can't access anything. We need to stay functional so we can get our work done. So I'm just gonna work on this today and we're gonna get it done. Okay, I think that side's free. Good. Threshold. We made good progress, but we're gonna pause it right here. Next time, we're gonna try to get the whole room gutted. So that means walls, ceiling, floor, everything stripped that needs to come out is coming out. So I hope you stick around for that. But that's all we have for now. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.